Hi everyone, let's talk about working with folders. This is a very important component of our ETL software. So here we have very basic package. The first step, we accept the variables. So we have data and we have a root folder above. After that we create a folder in the root. The folder is called folder 1 and we use variable for that. Then we check the folder if the folder exists. Again, that's very important and useful. Can be used for automation. Then we save a string into the file. Again, this action is using a variable data, which we set up at the set variable step. Then we copy folder into folder 1, folder 2, sorry, and we delete the folder. We also move the folder 1 to folder 2. Then we clear folder. When we say clear, we delete all the files within the folder, but we do not actually delete the folder. Then we delete folder as the last step, so it is just a cleanup. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. As usual, if you have any questions or suggestions how to make our software better, please post them on our support forum, which at the moment has more than 20,000 posts, and as you can see from the forum, we always help our customers. Please like and subscribe. Thank you again. Bye.